Welcome in Rugmat. Welcome in Steffi 128. Welcome in Maddie_2shoes.
Hello, welcome back to my live stream. Or if it's the first time that you're here, welcome in. I hope all of you are enjoying the fact that it's Friday. Because this week, I am very much enjoying the fact that it's Friday.
Garbage.
Garbage is an accurate term for various things that happened this week, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would turn out to be. This week ended up being okay. How's your week been, chat? Also welcome in Rugmat, and congratulations on being first. But nobody can prove it. Steffi, you are insisting that the go live message needs a trigger warning for people who fear long words. Are you one of the people that fears long words?
What?
Do you have the condition known as hippo? Wait, I can't even pronounce it. Hippopotamonstrosquiptaliophobia? Do you have a fear of long words? Oh, it's often considered a humorous term.
Hippopotamonstrosquiptaliophobia.
Okay, thanks. I don't, but it seems like you can't even say it. No, I can't. That's why I asked Brian to read it out for me. I asked Brian to read it. Yeah, I don't have a fear of long words. I also find it quite an amusing thing to have a fear of. Like, what is the word gonna do to you? It's long, but like, what is the word gonna do to you due to the fact that it's long? Like, words can't jump out of the page and harm you, you know? It's a bit of a... I'm not like diminishing anyone's phobia if they have a phobia of long words. But it seems a bit odd. Hi, Rez. Welcome in. And Rugmat, welcome into your bot as well. All those of you bringing your bots into chat. I appreciate that. Jay Walter bringing his bot into chat. Steffi, do you have a bot? Do you have a bot you can bring into chat? Rez, what about you? Do you have a bot you can bring into chat? We're doing something a bit weird today. I can't promise you it'll work. It may end up being... It may end up being something underwhelming. It may just end up be me playing a game and putting things in a spreadsheet. I hope not. I hope that there's another layer to this, but we'll get into that in a moment. I'm not happy at all with Pretzel Rocks right now. Because Pretzel Rocks keeps telling me that I'm using an outdated version of the app. And I know that Salma had the same problem. And there's like no tracks available now. Like Yacht Rock has 2 tracks in it. Like why make your own Twitch category again? I should make my own Twitch category just for game analytics. But like, yeah, Yacht Rock has 2 tracks in it. I guess I'll leave it on this one. Hi, Ian. Good to see you again. For those of you who don't know, I did make my own Twitch category once. I got banned from the International Game Database for doing so. And then I said sorry, and they reinstated my account, and I got to keep the category, which is now called something else, but that's fine. I'm also the only streamer to have ever streamed in that category. I think that deserves an award on its own. Like, if you've streamed in a category and no one else streamed in that category the entire year, you know, isn't that kind of special? You know, it's rare. Like that doesn't happen so often, right? I guess it doesn't happen so. Wait, have you streamed in the category, Rockbad? No. Do you? We can go check. We can check if anyone's streamed in the category. Streams charts? Is it? Awards are only for affiliates. Ha! Talk about shade being thrown. Well, excuse you, affiliate. Platform channels, platforms, Twitch. Can I find? You know, I'm just gonna use Selinome. Just gonna use Selinome. Okay. Let's find this out, chat. Let's find this out. Okay. Okay, here's the category. 2024. 365 days. One channel. Okay. Can I see? Can I see which streams? Can I see who streamed in the channel? Wait, oh! Wait, 2 broadcasters. Huh? Oh no! Lynch? Oh no. Lynch streamed in my category. Lynch, who makes games. Lynch streamed in this category. Oh no. But that's funny. That's hilarious. Lynch is cool. I can't believe Lynch streamed my game. Daytiddle V2. Yeah, I need to make a new one now. I need to make a new category. I need to make a second iteration of the game. Daytiddle 2025. Because, yeah. I need to have a category that only I can stream in. That's the objective. No, because also, okay, also, if you stream in other categories, like You don't get any growth if you stream in the really low categories. You dream in like, I don't know, what was it called? Writing and reading. That's the one. Writing and reading. There's like 3 channels in there. We can go take a look, and then slowly we're gonna get things started soon. I have questions for some of you, by the way. I have questions. Has any of you ever looked into game analytics? By the way, just as you know, side question. Writing and reading. The category as a total right now has 235 viewers. The entire category. The entire category. Forex, you've looked into game analytics. Have you ever... Oh, mobile app. No, I mean Steam game. I mean actual desktop game, not janky mobile games that people just get ads from. Because I've set myself a little bit of a challenge for today. So maybe we should get into that. So I have an idea for today. I would like to play a game.
Welcome in, Karayan.
I have a particular game in mind. Hey, Kara. I have a particular game in mind that I want to play. And I want to figure out if I can measure the game. Like if I can actually measure what's happening in the game. Can I somehow intercept the signal in the game engine? Like I don't know. Like I said, it might just end up me filling out a spreadsheet, but I want to know if I can monitor the game of what it's doing and like figure out analytically if I can monitor it. Because like monitoring inputs of like where I'm clicking my mouse is not the objective. I'm trying to measure the things that happen in the game. Proxy and own certificates, but the game doesn't use the internet. This is the problem. So I'm not really sure, but we'll get into it. We'll get into it. First things first though. Read RAM. Oh yeah, because that's easy to do. May I just remind you all that I am on a Mac. Just so that's clear. I'm not on a Windows or Linux machine. Technically speaking, Macs are sort of Linux, but I'm on a Mac, and I do use this computer for work as well as like all my other side projects. So I don't just game on this computer, so I'm not prepared to do something that might break my computer also. But first things first, we need to get to something very important. Does anybody know what it is? Besides the drop, of course. Drop is important. Kara, how are you not VIP actually? How are you not VIP by now? There you go. You're VIP now, Kara. Used to read RAM in World of Warcraft, so there you could see all the things in the environment in vectors. See, now you can use memes, Kara. I don't know why you weren't VIP by now. It's like weird that you haven't been VIP. It's very strange. So congratulations. There's something we do at the beginning of the stream, and it's pretty important. And this one in particular, from today, is also... I won't say it's the best example that I've seen, but it is close to one of the best memes that I've seen. And unfortunately, I can't play it with audio. It is a video. Unfortunately, I can't play it with audio because it's copyright. But the meme of the day, my friends. Today's meme of the day is from a very, very, very old music video. I actually didn't need to stop the music, did I? It's from a very old music video. Kelly Rowland and Nelly. And there's a clip in this video, and I want you to watch this video very carefully, chat. See if you notice anything in particular. Maybe we need to see it again. I'll let it play again. That's right.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
It is. Never forget the time that Kelly Rowland tried texting Nelly from Excel and got mad that he never texted back. Where you at? Holla when you get here. And the funniest comment for me is this one here, where it's like,
Welcome in MDX.
this actually, this could have worked with a shared Google Sheet. Like, absolute pog comment. Like, do you use a shared spreadsheet to communicate with your loved ones and friends? Of course. Like, that's what all of people do. Hello, Max. How are you doing, Max? This is an incredible music video, or a Microsoft Office 365 shared sheet, of course, because people love shared Microsoft Office 365. That's great to hear, Max. I haven't seen you live in a very, very long time. Like, extremely long time. So long that there's probably not even any clips of you anymore. Oh, there are.
Almir. Def Almir. This is me. I'm Def Almir.
What a clip. And then they put the singer in jail a few years later. It's true, they did. So this is probably one of the best meme of the days that we've had in a very long time. So Max, you are very fortunate. You're very fortunate that you tuned in today to see this amazing meme of the day. If you would like it for yourself and you want to send it to your friends, go grab it. ! MOTD in chat. Today I am going to try and measure a game. And I may have to use a spreadsheet in the end, but I will tell you what I want to do first. And probably many of you will be able to guess which game it is that I'm going to try and play and measure my play. Can anyone guess what game it's going to be? So it's on Steam. It's a game that I have on Steam. Again, I'm on a Mac, so I'm gaming on a Mac. It is not Daytiddle. No, it's not Daytiddle. It is not Minecraft. I do not actually own Minecraft on Mac. I have it on PlayStation. Bananas? Is Bananas a game? Bananas? Is Bananas a game?
Have a banana. They're delicious.
Okay. Team Fortress 2? TF2? Counter-Strike? The road building one. I think we have a winner, chat. That's right. Rugmat got it. I would like to play Mini Motorways, which is a incredibly cool game. I think we need a road background for this. We need a road background. Perfect. I would like to play Mini Motorways, but at the same time, I would like to measure the game. So how this game works is pretty easy. You have these different cities, and each city you can just build your roads and stuff, and you have different items and stuff like that. Now the thing is, what I'm wondering is, how can I measure what is happening within a Steam game? Like, can I actually figure out with each cycle, can I track my score? Can I track where I'm placing roads? Like, is it that straightforward? Like, is it actually, you know, can I measure my own game? So we're gonna have to do a bit of research first, because I know nothing about this, right? Can you measure a Steam game while playing? You can detect the score from the image. You just need a macro. Oh! I mean, yeah, I could detect the score from an image. There's actually an OBS plugin for that. Bit late, because I've already started OBS.
Welcome in Yoshi.
Hey, Yoshi. What's up, nerds? Set up measurement. Oh, measurement for Steam games. Okay, hold on. The guide walks you through the process of setting up a Steam gaming app. Okay, I can't do that because I don't... Do we have to ask ChatGPT? Is this like such a specific thing? Can you run analytics in a Steam game while playing? Game analytics. But these are for game devs. I want as a player. Can you run analytics while playing as a player? So Yoshi, I'm kind of wondering, like, basically this game is very turn based in a sense. So for example, you go into Los Angeles, right? And then there's a schedule. So if you look up here, where's the time? There it is. So if you look here, there's a schedule, right? And basically, with every Sunday, so once a week, it plops up a little window saying, do you want this, do you want that, do you want that? You get like various inventories. And basically, as each day runs, or each week, let's say each week at minimum, but as each day runs, I would want to track like how many items I have, like of each one. I would want to track maybe how many of each of these houses, how many of each of these buildings and what type they are, what my score is. And I would want to do that over time as I play the game. Of course, I can do that with a spreadsheet, but like, it's a lot of work. So yeah, I don't know if there's something. Can you run analytics on a game that you didn't build is, I guess, the question. Can you run analytics on a Steam game that you didn't build is, I guess, the question. How do you get analytics on your game? How to break into game analytics? You'd have to mod it or use something like a cheat engine. Oh no. 2012, we're not doing that. Game analytics. Number one, comprehensive understanding. Effortless setup. How does this work? Analytics tools. How it works. Cheat engine just looks at the data in memory so you can track it as it changes. Ah, okay. So mini motorways cheat engine. I can't believe I'm actually Googling this. I don't want to cheat. They could probably detect shape and color in the image. How about 2 to 3 seconds and measure the state of the game? I mean, there's a great OBS plugin for that. I hadn't thought of it that way. Looking for a cheat that enables custom building spawns. Okay. This looks... Oh. This looks very... I don't know. Cheat engine table. Yeah. Access denied. Great. I just don't understand, like, how would you...
Welcome into Walter.
Hey, Jay Walter. There is an OBS plugin. What's his name? Made it. I know what the plugin is. It's OBS plugin Scoreboard. What was it called? Is it Scoreboard? It's not Scoreboard. Score Site. That's the one. Score Site.
Welcome into Walterbot.
Hey, J. Walterbot. Score Site. This is the one. So it's an OCR for gaming scoreboards. For like this kind of thing. So of course we could use that to track the score, but this won't detect other stuff. Oh my gosh. What the? That ad was so intrusive. I need to see. So time, extra fields. It's anything that's text-based. It's anything text-based. It won't work for non-text. Image processing, binarization, output to text files. I wonder. Yeah, you can only detect health or like wood and iron. Generally speaking, this stuff isn't something you can do on games without some complicated custom setups, since devs really rarely expose this data easily. It's kind of a shame, isn't it? Like I would love to know. Like I would love to know more. I mean, it's a very niche thing. It's a very niche thing. So what we're gonna need to do. What we're gonna need to do is track this while we play the game. I don't think there's any other way to do this. It kind of is. We almost have the data already just for our own use. You just don't expose it. I see. But like essentially, I'm gonna have to track this myself.
I put my faith in data.
You know?
Information. Ones and zeros never lie.
Like I'm gonna need to make a little window here. This might actually be too large. Let me get a second here. That's better. So if we wanted to track stuff ourselves, so if we call this game tracking 101, I know this is not very professional, but okay, so let's imagine we would need to define how this works. And I think the only right approach for this is an event-driven table. So we're gonna have a timestamp. So we're gonna have a log timestamp effectively. Like there's no way we wouldn't have a timestamp for this. And I would say, okay, let's set up this table first properly. So we're gonna have a log timestamp. We would want to have, what items do we want? We want score. That could be in the top corner. We want a I don't know. I mean, we want, I don't know, houses. Then we want buildings. So there's two types of buildings. There's buildings small. Is it a Unity game? I have no idea. Are you saying there's like a plugin that we could use? Let's say buildings S. Building M. I don't know if there's like bigger one. House. We're not going to do all the color tracking. I think that's going to become very complicated to figure out how many there are. But for now, and then we can do the items. So we've got roads, bridges, road, bridge, roundabout, motorway. These, so the thing is, I'm gonna only count the ones in inventory. So if we earned one and spent one within the same period, oh, that wouldn't happen, would it? Because we only get them on Sunday. Ah, maybe we can just log it by week? You want to make something for it, Yoshi? That could be kind of cool. Okay, so this is already a pretty wide table. Let's do a little test. Let's do a little test. So it's week 0. Sorry, let's delete this stuff. It's week 0. So our log TS is week 0 Monday. Probably should split this later. Week 0 Monday is fine, I guess. So we have a score of 0. We have 1 house. We have 1 building S. We have 0 M's. We have 25 road. We have 1 bridge. No roundabout and no motorway. Okay, so let's see what happens. Make a little thing here. This. Tuesday. Oh, I see. So every day, we could log as soon as the time changes. We could say week 0, Tuesday. Score 1, house 2, building S 1, 0, 17, 1, 0, 0. We could log it once a day, in theory. I think that's a lot of logging. See, now it's Wednesday again, right? So now we have week 0, Wednesday, and our score is 2. And we have 2 houses. 1 S, 0 M's, 17 roads, 1 bridge, 0 roundabout, 0 motorway. I don't know if that makes sense to log on that granularity. It's a lot of work. You end up not playing the game anymore. You're just logging the whole time. Let's just play this out until Sunday. I don't want to do all the logging every day. Ooh, look at that. I'm not intending for this to be like a championship run or something, so don't criticize my road building, please. This is a horrible road here. This is horrible. Very, very, very poor road design. So you see what I mean? On Sunday, after Sunday is elapsed, when it's Monday. Huh? Wait. There we go. So week 1. Which upgrade would you like? So we should definitely also track the options of the upgrades. Does that make sense? Because then there's like game state. And then there's like a second tab. And this is, for example, weekly offer. Score, house, building. How would we structure this? Week 1. How would we structure this table? This table is going to have very different type of data in it. So it's 2 traffic lights and 20 road tiles. So we could have week 1, option 1. Week 1, option 2. And then we could have, for example, road, bridge, roundabout, motorway, traffic light. So this was 20 road tiles and 2 traffic lights. Oh, and we have to have a accepted. You have to have like an accepted. So you'd have here true or false, right? For the offer that you took. So this one is roundabout and 20 road tiles. So 20 roads and 1 roundabout. So I'm gonna take the roundabout. See, now it's Monday again. So as soon as it's Monday again, we can go back to our game state. So we could log week 0. The beginning of week 0 is like that. And then you do week 1. It's very hard to log and play at the same time. Oh, maybe this needs to be above and this needs to be less tall. Hold on. 1680. 1600 by 900. Oh, that's a bit small. That's better. Can I get rid of that? Oh yeah, I can. No, I can't. I can't get rid of the top part completely. Almost. Shame. I guess we will have to go smaller. Hold on. 1440 by 9. 960. 800. There we go. I know it's a bit small for you to see, but now you also get to see more of this beautiful background. So there's that. Okay. So it's the beginning of week 2. Our score is 14. Oops. 14. We have 4 houses. We have 2 S buildings. No M's. We now have 27 roads. We have 1 bridge. And we have a roundabout and 0 motorway. And we need traffic light too. Traffic light. So this could work like that. Weekly tracker. Let's proceed. Let's see what it looks like with 3. Oh! Probably need to install the roundabout here, to be honest. Although, we could go here. Like that. I'm not gonna last very long in this round, I think. Oh, wow, that escalated pretty quickly. Oh boy. There's already a lot of traffic happening here. What city was this? Los Angeles. I guess it makes sense that there's traffic then, right? Because all Los Angeles has traffic. It looks like it's in Unity, so I could make a mod. Ooh, really, Yoshi? Would the mod work on Mac as well? Okay, so we've been given an upgrade, a weekly offer. Week 2, offer 1. Maybe we should just say offer 1. Week 1, offer 2. I mean, Yoshi, if you want to put that on your to-do list, I'm not going to say no to that. I think it could be super cool to analyze your playstyle. Alright, so we've been offered 30 road tiles and nothing else. And we've been offered 20 road tiles, but 2 traffic lights. I don't have any traffic lights. So I think I'm gonna take the one with the traffic lights. Okay, now we have to track. Week 2, we have a score of 40. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 houses. We now have 4 buildings. None of them are M. We have 41 road, 1 bridge, 0 roundabout, 0 motorway, and 2 traffic lights. Melon loader is Windows only. What is melon loader? What is this? Oh. Melon loader. The world's first universal mod loader for... Do we have Above and Beyond in Pretzel? Wait, what? Why is their website like this? Chad, look at the color of their website. Isn't this great? Oh, it's just a melon. And now I have just a melon in my game. It's so weird. It loads melons. Universal mods, officially supported games. Okay. Developing melons. Quick start. Visual Studio? I don't know. Are you sure? Are you sure it's Windows only? Android support work in progress. Getting started. You need Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. Okay. We should ask some game devs. I mean, we're in this category, but it looks like, I mean, melonloader.exe. So of course, yeah. Melon Loader Mac OS alternative. Lava Gang. macOS support. Hello, I was wondering if it's possible to use Melon Loader on Mac. What happens when you try to run the exe with Wine? Interesting. It works with Wine. However, I wouldn't know if it works on... Oh. Oh. Virtual machines. Why not try manually installing it to a game? You can simply move the files from the zip into the game folder. Follow the wiki on how to make it load on a given game. Huh. What? Wait, this might be possible. This might be possible. Manual installation. Extract the Melon Loader folder from the zip file into the game's installation folder. Where is a game installed is the question. I mean, it's here. I mean, all the stuff is in here. Where would I put these files though? That's the question. How would it know to load them? Would it even know? You still need to write the mod. Aha, okay, okay. Well, you know, Yoshi, if you want to do something like that, that could be fun. I'd be kind of game, haha, for that. Could be interesting. Not to learn about programming for a game, but like, you know. I mean, we can also we can harvest the crap out of what's in here. There must be stuff in here about sounds. Look, there's like a sounds folder, right? Plugins, resources, data, boot config, app info. You were saying the game data is probably in library? Oh yeah, because it stores game data in your library. Hold on. Users, Matthew Brand, library, application support, Minecraft. I did have Minecraft at some point. Does the game have saves? We could look this up maybe. It does. Mini motorways, storage, macOS, screenshots, mini motorways, mini motorways, what is it called? Like, say, storage, location, macOS. Oh, you're saying when it saves. Yeah, because every time I exit, if I exit, that's a good question. See, you already have an in-progress city, which you can resume. Ooh, this is a very, very interesting idea. If you go to resume, you can go back to your city. Oh, that's a very smart idea. That's a very smart idea. If we can go via the saves. Why are you dropping all these birdies on my stream today, chat? Save
Welcome in, Josh
screenshots.
Luademon.
Hey Josh, Ludademon. Ludademon. For macOS, where are the save files? Game files are in the user library. Show library folder that appears. Application support. Okay. Would it be under Steam? Oh. Steam apps, user data. Game recordings. Hold on. Remote. Steam apps. Temp. Oh, here we go. Minimotorways.app. Okay. Logs. App cache. Let's find out. Minimotorways. Steam save game location macOS. For Mac Steam games, a games folder can be found under the file path for Mac library application support. Some are stored in documents, some might be in library.
Welcome in Pixelmate Graphics.
Hey Pixelmate! How you doing today? We're currently hunting down my save game files from this game in an attempt to try and do some analytics on it. I feel like it would be... It's gotta be in like... Hold on. Steam apps. Common. Mini motorways. Show package contents. We were already in here. Do you have 1127500? Wait. In what? Sorry? In user apps. I don't have user apps. I don't think I have that. I have Steam apps. User data? Oh, 1127500. Ah. Device settings, game. Ooh. Ooh. User profile. Hold on. I don't know what's in here. I'm gonna open it first on my own. It's a JSON. It's a JSON. Okay, this is just a statistics file. We're getting closer, chat. This is a statistics file of what I have completed for the game. Nice, Yoshi. Very, very smart. Okay. Game journal. .dat? What kind of a file is a dat file? Device settings. It's a JSON. Okay, that's what we're currently playing under. Extended user profile. Format JSON. Woo! Okay, lots of settings. It's this that we want. Game journal. Dat file. What is a dat file? This is a data file. Dat file. You fixed some audio in OBS. What kind of problem were you having, Pixelmate? It's just binary. Generic data files which contain information corresponding to a certain application. Top answer. If you delete them and need them later, you'll be saying, where dat file? That's fun. Generic data files. Do not delete them. Read dat file. The extended user profile did, yeah, so the extended user profile has, let me see what it says here. Sorry, this is also very small. Save times, option messages and stuff, game modes, challenge scores. These are just challenges. Yeah, these are for challenges. Then there's the device settings, and then there's the game journal thing, and then there's this. Yeah. Good old unregistered Sublime text. Sorry, why would you register Sublime text? Like, just out of curiosity, is there like a reason why you would register Sublime text? I mean, really. Wait a second. Hold on. Wait. Ah. See, this is... Okay. This is max. This is max. This is computed from somewhere. This is computed from the individual. I would guess it's probably JSON. Hold on. Just like out of curiosity. It's not a big file. It's only 100K. Did it? Did it do it? I don't know if it did it. Oh, dat isn't even in here. Wow. The one that they don't support. What did it say before? Hold on. File extension dat is not valid. Okay. I need to make a copy of this because I don't want to risk breaking something in the game. Hold on. I need to delete some stuff here. Oh, that was a different meme. That's for another day. Let's convert this. Let's convert this into JSON. Let's see what happens. No, okay. It's likely just custom binary save structure for the game, so you would have to reverse engineer it from the game logic. This is how I lost my mini motorway save game by streaming. Dumb question. Can ChatGPT convert binary to... I mean... Maybe someone's done it before. Let's try. I have a save game file of the DAT file type for the game Mini Motorways. I cannot read it with my text editor as the file is in bytes, binary. Can you convert it for me? Let's see. Please up. Okay. Okay. I am excited for the result. If you create a unique number in the save, it can look for it in the hex. Then you can find the indices in the file, you play the game, change the number, and edit the indices that match. The file appears to be in a binary format with structured data, possibly including metadata and game-specific information. To convert it into a readable format, I'll analyze the... Oh! It knows. It knows. Can you convert it to a JSON structure and try and find the most latest save for the city? Which city were we playing? Los Angeles. How do I know? Yes, I already did. I used to cheat like this as a kid. Okay, that tells me a lot about you, 4x. It doesn't know, it just did find strings. Yes? Wow, this is super helpful. It seems like the parsing isn't fully decoding the data as intended. Try your very best. I believe in you. I believe in you, ChatGPT. Thank you. Let me go all in and deeply analyze the binary structure. Okay, it's ChatGPT has gone all in. Okay. Huh? Okay. Can you extract the metadata as well? I need to be able to confirm if it's correct. You're doing a great job. I wonder if it's working. In single-player games, I learned how to program and change game files. Could you send me the file? Oh yeah, sure, of course. Yeah, let me open up Discord. What in the world? Wait, what? This does not look good. No. I've extracted and displayed the detailed. That is unfortunately a bunch of gibberish. Yeah, let me fire up Discord. for you, Yoshi. Deserialization. Byte patterns. I mean, this is exciting, isn't it? It's kind of cool. Discord is still opening. I don't think it really knows what it's doing, though. If I'm being very honest, I don't think ChatGPT knows what it's doing. Because I don't know what I'm doing. So if you don't know what you're doing, it's very unlikely that ChatGPT will be able to follow what you're doing. Hey, JT. Did you try telling ChatGPT to enhance? That always works in movies. I could. Can you try enhancing? It's still very much non-human readable. I know you can do this. Double exclamation mark. Thank you for your confidence.
Another powerful reason for insisting on Intel.
What was my score? So my score currently is 41. I've stopped it on Monday morning, I believe. Potential keys. Offset 71, offset 3175. This is just a bunch of gibberish. Let me see if I can find you, Yoshi. Yoshi. Found you. Discord taking 10 years to open. It doesn't know what it's doing as it's not intelligent. Wait, are you saying I'm not intelligent, Steffi? Sorry. Wait, are you saying someone who doesn't know what they're doing is not intelligent? Because you just said it doesn't know what it's doing as it's not intelligent. So I am not intelligent because I don't know what I'm doing. Is that what you're saying? Are you are you insulting me on my stream? How dare you? How dare you come in here and insult me on my stream? But it makes sense. I believe you. But yeah, ChatGPT also doesn't know what it's doing. Duh. Okay, Yoshi, let me send you the file. It's not too big a file, fortunately. I will be very impressed, Yoshi. You had to install what? Sorry. Hexawalk? I don't even know what that is. Wait, no, this is not Google. Hexawalk. Hexwalk? Hexwalk. Hex editor viewer. Wait, is there a package for Sublime? Install package. Hex viewer. Love you being nice to ChatGPT. Someone is trying to stay on the good side of AI when the singularity happens. Yeah, totally. Totally. Okay. Package setting, package control. Preferences, package. What? Preferences. Package settings. Hex viewer settings. Oh, I can probably just open it then. Don't want to save anything to these things. These are all the original files. I don't want to do something bad. Okay, so the JSON doesn't work. We know that by now. Hex. Reload hex view. Okay. Hex. Toggle hex view. Oh, whoa! Wait, what? Okay, hold on. This is... Oh, this is interesting. Okay, but it's not able to do everything. What does this mean? Chat, what is it? Why is most of this just a bunch of weird characters? See, like, there's stuff here, 3210. Can I search for 41? So there's no score. There's no score in here. I looked for 41, I don't find it. Mac 1412, Mac Mini 2 Pro, Los Angeles. Interesting. Hex. Set bytes per... Okay, hold on. I don't even know what this means. What does this mean? Set bits per group? Bytes per line? How many bytes is this per line? 4, 8, 16, 32. Plus another 16. Is that 48? The thing on the right is the ASCII representation of the hex. So if the score is 41, it would be hex 29, which there are multiple cases of in the file. Ah. Interesting. So basically, in order to decode the save file, we could read the save file automatically at set intervals using like a little Node.js function or something. And then we would be able to automatically count or like log it to a CSV or something. This is kind of cool. Sublime Hex Viewer. Toggling of a file into hex, limited hex editing, view any file in a hex format, command to jump to specific in-place editing, blah blah blah. Checksum. Interesting. So it's a 48 bytes line. I wonder if that changes any. Okay, hold on. Set bits per group. I guess it's 8-bit groups. No. Set bits per group, 16. I guess this is only a view thing. Does anyone here know how to read hex? Like, just out of curiosity? Because I do not. Correct. Gonna be still hard to get useful info. So 4x, you can read hex. How would you go about converting this? It's like the Matrix movie. Take the red pill and you'll be able to read it. Is that how that works? Okay. I was planning on taking a blue pill, but okay. Where's ChatGPT? Is it still working? Thank you for the confidence. Potential keys. This should help make the data more interpretable. No. It seems we are both stuck. I wonder if mini motorways save editor. Save editor. Ooh, okay, this could be interesting. This might be interesting. What if we upload this to a not supported, unsupported format? It says that. It says it supports that. Ooh, find a hex editor. Yeah. Okay, what can we use for Hex Fiend? This looks cool. A fast and clever open source hex editor. Okay. Is it free? It is free. Okay. I'm getting it. Oh, sorry, I gotta put my password in. I haven't signed into the App Store. I would like to show my password, but I don't remember it. Because I don't know my own passwords. Of course, will you tell everyone my password? Of course you will. I don't trust you, chat. Definitely not. Please. See, I'm allergic to you, chat. Ah! How dare you? Okay, I'm installing it. At least we fixed the lights. Oh, speaking of which, we need to take our thumbnail today. We have to take our thumbnail. Okay, let me prepare for the thumbnail. We gotta design the background. We gotta do the background in Canva. Oh, we can keep the music for that. Yeah, this is not gonna help you, you know, because you can't change anything while I'm in thumbnail mode. You can't do anything. The DAT file contains very little info. Really? Oh no. Okay, that's not good. I don't know what you can do exactly, and what you cannot. So, you know. Let's make our thumbnail for today. Just a lot of 00 and FF filler bytes. Interesting. Would enhance the thumbnail quality severely. I don't know. See, I was looking away that time. I was safe. So this is going to be capturing my own game analytics.
Garbage.
Measuring games is challenging and fun. Okay, this is a good one. Download. Steffi, do you only know 2 memes? Do you only know those 2? Do you not remember any of the others? It's kind of sad. Rugmat can help you. Rugmat knows a lot of them. OBS images. This one. Okay, replace. All right, let's do a test. Okay.
Another powerful reason for insisting
What
on
is this? It's Microsoft
Intel
Excel.
inside.
Yeah, great one. Great.
Can't do it. We'll do it live.
It
We'll
just
do it
delays
live.
them. It just delays
Do it
them.
live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
But now everything is broken. Everything is so broken.
Pocket Ninja 112.
Pocket! Hello! You caught a Maddie stream, the best day ever. You're about to witness me taking a thumbnail. I look constipated. This is not the final thumbnail. I still have headphones. Look, okay. Now we'll do the real one. Now we'll do the real one, okay? Watch. We'll take the real one. No, you can't interrupt it. Watch. Okay, here we go. Chad, you are ridiculous. You are ridiculous. You're ridiculous. Oh, what am I gonna do with you, Chad? This is not a good thumbnail. No, objectively, this is not a good thumbnail. No, chat. This is not a good thumbnail, objectively speaking. Okay? Objectively, this is not a good thumbnail. I'm gonna take it again. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. I see your I see your point. Okay. Let chat vote. Fine. 1 if you want this one. 0 if you want the default. In chat. Go on. There's 14 of you here. 12 of you. There's 12 of you here. I want to see at least 5 votes. I want to see at least 5 votes. For 1 for this one, 0 for this one. Oh no. It's already 6 votes. I shouldn't even have asked.
Welcome in Conhorn.
I shouldn't even have asked. Canhorn's at 0, see? Thank you. Thank you, Canhorn, for believing in me. Thank you. Fine, I will use this one. I will use this one for today's thumbnail. You win. You win, chat. Look, I'm naming it already. I'm naming it already. Look. Today is the 15th. And I shall keep this one back pocket. If you misbehave today, chat, if you misbehave, I keep this one back pocket. Oh, did you send me something, Yoshi? Already? Okay. Okay. Let's take a look. A data viz of the file. Wow! Okay. Okay, hold on. I assume this is safe to show on stream. Too late. Best viewed video on your channel because of this thumbnail. Yeah, sure, of course. So, save file shenanigans. Pocket, we are doing something weird, okay? I have this game, okay, Mini Motorways. And what I was trying to think about is measuring what happens in the game, okay? Like I can play the game and we can do some analytics and I can like write stuff down, but that's pretty boring. Oh, it's your cozy game? Yeah, it's my cozy game too. I love it. I love this game. So what I was thinking is there's this, well, Yoshi's suggestion was that there's a save file, and actually this stuff might have data. This part. This might have data in it. Now the question of course becomes, how can we do that? So I now have a new hex editor called Hex Fiend. I now have a hex editor. Where's the hex editor? Hex Fiend. I'm gonna take this dat and put it in there. But this doesn't tell me much more than I already knew in Sublime Text. This breakdown fits so much in my life of likely useless, useful perhaps are the top 2 themes. 4x, what am I supposed to do with this? This doesn't help me. Like, is this my game? Is this how I've been playing my game, you know? I don't know if that's any use. Does look like a lot of filler. What we could do, is there a way to see if the file changes? We could just check number of rows, right? So this file currently has 2050 rows in this view. Hexwalk would have a hex diff. Okay, hold on. Does Hex Fiend have a diff? Views. Text encoding, views, font, mode, expand, fin. Well, okay. Let's do like this. Let's play. Let's play a little bit. I'm still gonna keep tracking my stuff though. Is this week 3? Did we miss a week? Oh no. Did we miss a week already? Oh, I'm out of... Okay. Not sure if we missed a week. We might have missed a week already. This can be a map entry. You want to find the number in the hex, its position on the whole file, make a note of it, and then change the save, play. If you find the number to change, you have the hex address of the place to read the data. Okay, I understood about half of that. So this could be position based. Like they're reading the stuff in this file position based? Is that right? Okay. Index in file, right. Yeah. That's tricky. What kind of music is this? Get out of here. Okay, so we're gonna get to the end of this week soon. Oh, it's been in slow mode, sorry. I'm not really planning on like beating my high score or something, so we're just playing it for the sake of playing it. Ooh! We have a double building. I guess we have to hook this up so it doesn't fail completely. Okay. Then it's also important to know if you're editing text, int, or float. Ah, here we go, week 3. Weekly offer. So the weekly offer for week 3. Let's note this down. The weekly offer for week 3 is 10 road. Is that road? Yeah. I may want to lock this view. I don't know how to do that anymore. View freeze 1 row. 10 road and a motorway. Finally a motorway. We can get 20 road and a bridge. I think the choice is clear, chat. We're gonna take the motorway because we don't have it yet. Boom. So we now have 91. Week 3. Score of 91. How many houses are we up to now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 houses. Building S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 S's. No upgrades yet. Road. We have 25. We have 1 bridge. We have 1 roundabout. We have 1 motorway and 1 traffic light. So this could be a way to track. It's not very efficient though. Not very efficient. Okay, updated save file. Where was that again? Library. Library. No, wait. Under my user, right? Users, library. Application support. Game journal 925. Yeah, so this was just edited. Ooh, it already exists. Hold on. Stop. Okay, so this is the new one. 9879. I wonder what's changed. Well, I can tell you for certain, my score went from 40 or 41 to 91. So Yoshi, I'm gonna send you the updated file, okay? I'm gonna send you. Yeah. I'm gonna send you the updated file if I can find my Finder window. Yeah, here's the new one. Do a diff in the terminal. What? What do you mean diff in the terminal? How do you diff in the terminal? You can do that? How do you diff in a terminal? Or in VS Code? You can do it in VS Code? Okay, hold on. I've never done terminal diff. Really? Okay. Hold on. Where are we right now? We're on here. We have to go CD downloads. Okay. I'm going to call this one file 1. That's the old one. File 2. So I do diff file 1, file 2. What? .dat. Binary files differ. Okay, yeah, they're different. Congratulations, chat. You just told me something I already knew. That they've changed. I knew that they would have changed. I played the game. It changes the save file. Chat, you're ridiculous. I'm taking a break. I can what the files first? You can OD or HD the files. What? Let's take a break. Let's take a break. I'll be back in a minute. I should go to the bathroom. Octal dump or hex dump? I've literally never heard of those things before. Fascinating. How do I take a break again? I think it was a button. It was this one maybe. Hey yo! Welcome back, everybody. I don't know. It's a bit weird. It's not the most... It's not the smoothest software, but I only use it for the lights, and if I can... I'm just waiting for the release from Atom to include...
Garbage.
Someone please clip this. Someone please clip this. I want to send it to Dust. I need to send this clip to Dust. Someone please clip that. Oh my god. I've been a very bad girl, she said, biting her lip. I need to be punished. Very well, he said, and ran the SQL query using write join. Pure. What the? I just got rickrolled. I can't believe I just got rickrolled in SQL. Weird in it. I think I may have actually found the culprit for this. Okay, we're gonna change scenes and hope nothing crashes. Early afternoon.
I mean,
why? Why have you done this? Also, Rugmat, what kind of idea did you get? No! Why have you done this? You're not supposed to watch this anymore.
we've gone
Central Pennsylvania. I live at 308 Nagoya RO Lane. Nice try, bad cop.
No, it's like 8 levels.
I know what level that is. This is the idea. Oh no, did you just clip this? Did you just clip that? Just force quit the stream, install the plugin, and restart OBS within 90 seconds, and the stream will continue. Welcome back, chat. Look what I have. Gummies.
Garbage.
No, they're delicious. By the way, chat, I hit 1,500 followers on Twitch. It's incredible. Can you believe it, chat? It only took 4 years. It's artificial sugar. It's garbage. Yeah, okay. Maybe. But can you believe it? 4 years! Coming up on 4 years on Twitch. What am I doing with my life? 4 years on this place? Madness. Why would someone do this? Why would someone... I don't know. X dump. So I don't... Okay. The entropy isn't high, so I doubt it's encrypted. With a hex dump diff, you could do something like diff HD... Okay, let's try. I could try that. Can I do a hex dump diff in the terminal? I'm not doing this for Twitch merch. I can tell you that much, Forex. I already have Twitch hoodies. And they're great, don't get me wrong, but like normal hoodies are also great. So you want to pipe it to less. Yeah, so diff less HD file 1. I don't understand what I'm doing. I'm just going to put in what you put in chat because you are definitely smarter than ChatGPT. And I trust you, which I probably shouldn't, but... Oh, I don't have this command. Why? Why don't I have that? So many bytes have changed. That's not a good idea. That's not a good sign, is it? Replace HD with OD-H. Okay. Oh, here we go. Ooh, it's a lot. A lot has changed. Yeah, Yoshi's right. Aha. Sorry. And then less? So the less does what exactly in this scenario? Why am I stuck? Ah, it gives me paging. But I don't need paging. I can just scroll the window.
Welcome in Stream Elements.
Hi, Stream Elements. Welcome to the stream, Stream Elements. How do I exit paging again? I forget. Q, right? Yeah, Q. I mean, the thing is, no human can read this stuff anyway. Like, it's not human readable. How would you be able to like make any sense of like, oh yeah, this changed from 400 to 600, you know? It's always Q. Yeah, now I know. Now I know. Yeah. Maybe we should just play the game. We should just play the game and track our progress. You know? Maybe that's just the way to do it. I mean, it is Friday. We should just, you know, make the most of it. Have a good time. There's a very interesting data bit at 0.0000380, but that helps nothing. Why is the data bit interesting though? Why is it interesting? Playing is way more fun. Yeah. In this scenario, playing is more fun than trying to figure out how to decode hex from the save file. But yeah, we could track this weekly. I feel like we could track this weekly, and it could be kind of fun to do that. So we could do that, and I should say this is 24, 11, 15 mini motorways. 1. Oh, I probably have to put in some metadata. It's like Los Angeles. Los Angeles normal. Yeah. Restart. All right. So, put this up. I'm going to play one game through. Maybe you could get a recording of the game and then do magic pencil, like for hockey. Well, I can do that already now. I can already be like, look at this thing that spawned. That's incredible. Showing you the interesting bytes in Discord, but again, useless. Okay. Okay. The data starts following a certain pattern. This does look like the Matrix. Did you just send me a screenshot from the Matrix, Yoshi? How am I supposed to believe? How am I supposed to believe that this isn't just a screenshot from the Matrix? You know? How do I believe that this is actually from your computer? This looks like the Matrix to me. This looks like the movie. Well, anyway, very interesting. If you want to investigate further, please do so, but do not feel compelled to, because it is very challenging. So we have a score of 0. We have 1 house, 1 building S, 0, 25 road, 1 bridge, no roundabout, no motorway, no traffic light. All right. Yeah. I think this is good. I would like an easier way to log. I guess we could like map some stuff to the stream deck to like log stuff faster. Like if there's certain variations in the game, depending what offer you get or what happens per week, it should be quite trivial if I put some effort into it. But for now, I'm gonna go snuggle my rats. You enjoy that. Jerry is also chilling. Where's the iPad? Where's the thing? Where is he? Oh, the camera's in the wrong spot. Excuse me. Let's move that. No. Full. There we go. Look at him chilling. Yeah, he's just he's all cozy. He's all cozy. Anywho. He's such a flop. He really is. He's such a floof. He's always just floofing. So what have we learned about game analytics? The game analytics is incredibly difficult if you're not the game developer? Is that what we've learned? He's still doing okay. Yeah, he's still doing okay without he's still doing okay. This actually looks really cool. We're going to keep this here. He's doing okay without Ben. He's doing okay without Ben. I think long term it would be nice for him to have some friends. But that's something we're only going to do when we move, I think. So if I keep H top here, I can stay in this category because this is like tech related, okay? Gotta make sure I do double speed here as well. Because this really looks like super technical right now. It looks like I'm like monitoring the game or something. And if anyone wants to like donate to charity to like make me do something in the game, feel free to suggest that. I will definitely entertain that. I wonder what the weekly offer is going to be. Oh, wow. That's rough. That's very rough. Although now we have parallel roads for each, so that's kind of alright. Might have to do something with that intersection at some point. Chat, I'm getting hungry and it's not good. I had 2 sandwiches for dinner. And I'm getting hungry again. Even after gummies. It's not a good sign. Oh, it's almost... Week is up. What does this do? You get to see what you have. Oh yeah, that's good. We can save the game state now. So week 1, we have a score of... What is our score? Oh, I don't even know what our score is. Well, let's do the offer first then. 2 traffic lights and 20 road. I guess we could leave these as null. We don't have to fill them. And 20 road or a roundabout. I feel like the roundabout is better. Do you agree, chat? Do you think the roundabout is better? For this layout, I feel like roundabout's better. Okay, we have a score of... We have a score of 12. We have 4 houses. 2 buildings. 0, 30 roads. 1 bridge, 1 roundabout. 0 motorway, 0 traffic light. You know what's one thing I really like about Google Sheets? You can delete the extra columns and rows, and it retains that. If you do that in Excel, it just keeps adding them back again, which is really annoying, in my opinion. I like having them out of there because it like doesn't do anything. So does anyone have any predictions for how they think this game is gonna go? Oh, I didn't want to do that. I did not want to do that. Crap. I did not want to do that. Oh. This is already shaping up to be really, really bad. Like 100% gridlock. Just Apple's numbers does it with the tables. See, I only have one bridge, so I can't delete this bridge until I can't put another bridge until I put this one in place. I have to wait till the cars have driven through. There we go. I didn't want to have them go that way. That makes sense. Apple's numbers. All right, week 2. Our offer is 30 road tiles or 20 road tiles and 2 traffic lights. I'm going to take... I don't need that many road tiles, although I have 4 left. The traffic lights would be useful. Ah, you can do it in Apple numbers as well. Okay, cool. I'm gonna take the traffic light offer. All right, score of 42. House. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 4 buildings.
Welcome in Cypher Enigma.
0. Hello, Cypher Enigma! We have 24 roads, 1 bridge in inventory. We have 1 roundabout in inventory. We have 0 motorways and 2 traffic lights. Cypher, how's it going? How goes it? Any predictions on what my score will be? What my max score will be on this map? It be going. It's good to hear. Ooh! We don't have a bridge. We don't have a bridge.
What is this? It's Microsoft Excel.
Oh boy. We need another bridge. Or we need to move the bridge. Wait, does installing 2 traffic lights make sense next to each other? Not so sure that makes sense. Oh, this is a prime candidate for a roundabout. Actually. Bad merge. Bad merge. There we go. Or any predictions on the weekly offer? I think they're going to offer us a bridge, though, this time. I feel like they're going to offer a bridge. They know our struggle. No. That's not what I want. That is not what I want. I want to be able to put a nice bridge across there. That's what I want to do. I want to do this. That's what I want to do. The only way I can do that... Oh no. I need... This is not good. Bridge! Offer 1. 10 road tiles and a motorway. I'm not going to take that. The game is really... Yeah, the game is really effing me off in this map. I don't know why. Maybe it knows I'm data logging, you know? Maybe it knows I'm data logging stuff. Okay. 84 score. How many houses? Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buildings. 0 M's, fortunately. We have 24 road. Interesting. We have 1 bridge. We have no roundabouts. And we have 1 traffic... 1 motorway? No, we don't have motorway. And we have 1 traffic light. Okay. Oh, you want outliers? I'll make you an outlier. So the bridge going across here. Okay. This is going to be interesting to see what happens. Because, like, as you know, the map looks like this right now, which means that technically anything can spawn within that non-shaded area. So especially here, like here, up here, anything can spawn there. Which is, yeah. Oh, I did want to promo something to y'all. I did want to... That's the admin link. 1 second. I did want to tell you all about something. If I can find it. Yes. So many of you know. Many of you know that I do some decision science, data analytics course content. And if you're not sure if this course is a good thing for you, then, or if it's the right thing for you to take, then I'm going to be doing a live webinar. It'll be very interactive though. It's called a lightning lesson. In January, so Tuesday, January 14th, if you would like to join, you can sign up for free to this lightning lesson. No, January. Not June. I didn't say June. Did I say June? I did not say June. Where you can learn about, well, my decision science framework, and you can see if you want to take the full course. Maybe you don't, but it is free to join, and lots of other people will be there, I guess. Let's see. But yeah, you have time to think about if you can attend. If you can't make this time, but you're still interested in decision science, and you're interested in potentially taking the course in February, then I would be more than happy to have a one-on-one call with you. Discord, Google Meet, whatever. Just reach out to me and let me know. And of course, I offer very competitive pricing. Very competitive. No one will beat my prices. I can tell you that now. So if either of those things are interesting for you, just let me know. Anyway, I just wanted to promote that quick. because I sent an email to the waiting list yesterday. So I just wanted to mention that. Oh no. My prices have never been lower. Exactly. We've just gotten a building upgrade. Ugh. This is not a good run. I can tell you already, chat. This is not going to be a good run. Definitely not. Because like this is the LA River is really not doing us any favors. Maybe we should have tried with a different map. I'm thinking. Okay, week 4. What is the offer? Week 4? Yes. I got the reference. It's a good reference. It's a shame Salma's not here to enjoy it. 20 road tiles and a bridge. Or 30 road tiles. I feel like I need the bridge, if I'm being honest. I think I need to take the bridge. Alright, so we're at 152. Wow, okay. How many houses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 houses. It only went up by 3 though. That's interesting. There's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small buildings. And 1 has been upgraded to an M. We have 31 roads. We have 1 bridge. No roundabouts. No motorways. 1 traffic light. I also want to pin this view freeze 1 row. Okay. Predictions on how long the game lasts. What week do I make it to? What number week do you think I will make it to, chat? My prediction is week 8 right now. I think I make it to week 8, but not further than week 8. I love the sound effects, by the way, in this game. What are people's plans for the weekend, by the way? I am actually going to be going to play D&D again, which is nice. 2 weeks in a row, actually. Oh, 2 houses have spawned. I should definitely swap the... Okay, what's the shortest path for these? So currently they're exiting there and going that way. I should probably put them like this. Oh! It's upgraded. Yeah, we played last week and now we're going to be playing again, which is really cool. Oh, now all the houses are spawning. I'm going to block some of these off. I make long roads so it doesn't spawn houses in between, but then it just ends up spawning them like here. What am I supposed to do with this house? What am I supposed to do with that now? Whatever. So yeah, gaming like Dungeons and Dragons. And then actually, I can't tell you too much, but on Sunday, I'm going to be celebrating 7 years with my partner. And I've reserved us a very, very nice restaurant. I can't say too much because she might watch this. Actually, she won't. She probably won't watch this. And she's already asleep. She's already asleep. So I can I can tell you the secret, chat. Okay, I can tell you secretly. gonna tell you a secret. We're going to a restaurant that is overlooking the Lake of Zurich. It's way up in the mountains. Okay, it's like way high up in the hills of Zurich. It's like an old farmhouse that they converted, and it's super nice. Like it is like 4.9 stars or something. It's like incredible ratings. I showed it to a friend of ours, and she flipped. She's like, "Oh, I've wanted to go there forever. It's like the best place. All of my friends have been. They've said it's amazing." So that's the place that we're going to. Very, very exciting. You're gonna fika with a friend. Shop for some cozy winter clothes. Nice. Very nice. It's is it fine dining? No, it's upscale dining. It's not like tuxedo level. We're going for lunch. It's more casual. But definitely, yeah, definitely not like, it's not like formal. It's more upscale. Like no shorts. Unfortunately, no shorts. Are you trying to time warp me? Does that still work? I actually don't know. Hold on. Let me tell you if that works. It should work, right, Rugman? Time warp. New message. Time warp. Yeah, but I don't think you can put... I don't think you can put the degrees. I think that's why it doesn't work. I think it where does it get the angle from? Where does it get the angle? Oh. I think it just randomly changes the angle, to be honest. I think it just randomly changes the angle. It doesn't, and there's a cooldown on it. Used to be able to pick with channel points, and now I do not have an input for it, so. Until Adam makes an easy way to parse inputs. All right, so the offer is 10 road tiles and a motorway, or 20 road tiles and a bridge. So we already have a bridge. I feel like we should take the motorway, but that does give us way less road tiles because we only have 9 road tiles. Oh, hello. It's Squirtle. Look at that. I do think the motorway is like the logical choice here. Yeah. Okay. Motorway. So we have a score of 226 houses. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yeah, there's like a massive jump now. Buildings. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh? Yes, because it spawned a new one. And we have now 2 mediums. 2 mediums. Right? Or is it 3? Is this also... No, it's not. We have 19 road tiles. We have a bridge. We have no roundabouts. We have a motorway and a traffic light. Alright. Let's see what happens. Do we need a motorway for something? Not yet, I guess. I don't think so. We could maybe put a bridge. Oh, yeah. Let's see what happens with yellow. I'm feeling like it's gonna put something south around here. So I'm waiting. I'm biding my time. So far, nothing's at risk, so we're gonna keep things the way they are. I don't want to change too much yet. Oh, here we go. See? Told you. I told you. Perfect. So we're gonna go like this. We're gonna go down to here, and we're gonna put this house on there. We're gonna connect that one up. Connect that one up there for the shizzle. I tend to pause when I build. I know a lot of people don't like that. Sorry. No, I don't want that. Ugh. Horrible. I think we could do with a motorway between these two segments if they start mixing colors, which is likely at some point. The light blues, oh, this is starting to get real jammed up here, I can see. Might need a traffic light there, actually. Of some kind. That might help traffic flow a bit there. Cross that bridge. Oh, wow. Already week 6. Okay. Unexpected. Okay. Actually, you know what would be easier? Splitting this. It'd be so much easier to split this. Then I don't need... What? Hello? That was weird. Because then I could just do week 1. Week 1. It's way easier. I know now that I did it each time. And then we can put this in a SQL database, chat. Do some cool analytics on it to see how my game went. All right, so the weekly offer for week 6 is 10 road, motorway, 30 road. To be honest, I already have the motorway, so I'm just going to take the 30 road tiles. We have a score of 327. How many houses, chat? I need your help counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 standard buildings. We have 2 medium buildings. We have 39 road. We have 1 bridge. We have no roundabouts. We have 1 motorway and 0 traffic lights. Oh yeah, I placed that one. I'm not too concerned about the yellow. Oh, okay, that building just got upgraded. We might need a motorway. We might need a motorway from here to here. Yeah, there's no way they're gonna get there. We have to do something about this. We're gonna send them up here. I know it's ugly, but don't judge me on the ugliness of the road, okay? Because you don't get extra points for making a pretty city, okay? I'm just saying. The yellow is still good, no problem. Oh, now the yellow's down here. Ugh, why is it doing that? What? Alright. Ooh! Oh my word. Okay. Hello, we notice that your profile aligns well with our focus on animal health and veterinary vaccine development. Given your role, we thought you may be interested in learning how selecting the optimal peptone mix can improve the quality of your fermentation process. Jay Walter, that's like... What kind of spam is that exactly? Is that LinkedIn spam? Is that like LinkedIn spam? Today in LinkedIn, yeah. Oh, I just heard something spawn. Where did it spawn? Oh, it spawned the yellow here. Of course it did. That's because I said yellow was good. Exactly. It's because I said yellow was good. That's exactly why I did it. Of course. I'm out of road, by the way. But it is Saturday, so it's okay. It's not a problem. Oh no! No! That's gonna be... Okay, we need to take the motorway. I think there's no option here, chat. We gotta take the motorway. There's literally no choice. 10... This all for 1, all for 2. 10 road. I'm gonna improve this a bit too, actually. I said I would last till week 8, so let's just put 8 in there for the lulz. Weekly offer. 10 road and a motorway. 20 road and a bridge. Honestly, I'm gonna take the motorway because I think I'm in way more trouble. Okay. Our score is 443. We have a lot of houses. Let me check. That's a cluster 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Plus 4 is 23. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Plus 3 is 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 houses. Things have escalated quickly, chat. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buildings. But let's not forget that one of them has now been upgraded, so we now have 3 M's. So that's plus 2 buildings total. Sort of, depending how you calculate it. We have 10 road. We have 1 bridge. We have no roundabouts, and we have a motorway. No traffic light. All right. Like I said, week 8. Am I manifesting? Who knows? We need to install a motorway from here all the way over to this one right there, so that we can funnel the... So we can funnel those greens. Gotta funnel these greens up here. Make that go around. Oh, so nerve-wracking. Something spawned. Where did it spawn? Oh, more greenhouses. Great. The red back here is a problem. How can I alleviate the red? How can I alleviate the red? I don't have any road left. I don't have any road. No. So, okay. I would be very shocked if we made it to Sunday at this point. We have a bridge. which means we could technically shorten something. If we got rid of these, put that in there. We could maybe shorten this with a bridge. Why can't that be? Oh, because I don't have any road? Oh no. I can't even build the bridge because I don't have the road. I have 3 road tiles. I can't do that either. Doesn't do anything. I think this is it, chat. I don't know if we're gonna make it till Sunday. No, it's not F yet. No. The Reds. Oh, we made it to week 8. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna change these to AB. I don't like that it's 1, 2. It's a bit like weird. Because that way I can just do this. This goes to 8. Alright, so 20 road and a roundabout, or 20 and a bridge. I do think the roundabout's more useful. So we're gonna do that. The reason is because I already have a bridge. And I can't build more bridges because I don't have enough road. How many houses do we have? Maybe we should make a distinction between the houses we have and the ones that are connected. Because if you look, there's like a ton of them that are not connected. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Sorry, that's 2, 4, 6, and 4 is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Plus 4 is 31. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Did I count this one? Yes. 48, 49, 54. I mean, look at the rate of increase on the houses. We went from gaining, in the previous week, we gained, what's that again? 11? No. No, 9. 9. What is 41? Why am I... 41 minus 29. 12. 12. Now we gained 13. And then here was only 5. Things are escalating, chat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buildings. Because 1 has been upgraded. 1, 2, 3, 4. 23 road, 1 bridge, 1 roundabout, 0 motorway, 0 traffic light. I don't know if we make it to week 9, to be honest with you, chat. Very unlikely. I have 23. I can build a roundabout somewhere. Probably build one here. Somehow. Oh! How am I supposed to get the blues all the way over here? I have no idea how to get the blues. This is a problem. So they're coming through here. This is way too bottlenecked. That's way too bottlenecked. They'll never make it in time. I mean, some of them made it. This one's about to explode. What can I do about that, chat? Could I pipe these ones? Could pipe them. I'm guessing those will make it to there pretty quickly. Is there a house behind there? Oh, there is. Oof. That's a rough place for a house. It's a very rough place for a house. Oh. This game is meant to be relaxing, right? Oh no! This one got upgraded. I suppose that's good though. Because we get a lot of points. Funnel a couple greens in here. I only have one road left anyway. We made it to week 9. We made it to 9, chat. Alright, we got 10 road and a motorway. That could be useful. Or 30 road tiles. The motorway could save us way more. But yeah, we gotta rescue the blue. We gotta pipe the blue. We gotta pipe the blue. It's gotta happen. Motorway it is. 776 score. I don't know how to count houses anymore. How are we supposed to count the houses now? Someone count with me, please. This is horrible. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 houses here. Note that down. Don't lose count. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Easy. 60 even. 60. It's weird, it didn't spawn as many houses this time. Also make a column for unconnected houses / round. Oh, like connected versus unconnected? You count 63? Do I need to recount? Stop the count! Is it really 63? You counted 63? Okay. I'll take your word for it. Take your word for it. I'm not good at counting. We could definitely do a house versus like connected, unconnected house ratio thing. That could be kind of fun. I don't know. In this round, it's not worth it anymore because we didn't do it. But how many buildings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But how many upgraded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgraded. Second count 62. Okay, I would like to believe that 63 was too high. Road, we have 10 road. We have 1 bridge. We have 0. We have a motorway and 0 of that. Okay. Are we ready? Here we go, chat. Okay, motorway to save this one. Where are we piping it to? Here? Get rid of this. Suppose we could leave that for them. Pipe this into here. I know that's an awkward intersection, but like, I don't care, you know? It's been 8 in the last round. 8 what? Sorry? I missed something. It's been 8 what? 8 standard buildings? That can't be though, because there was 7 S buildings and then, oh, 8 unconnected houses. Ah, yeah. It's not a big deal though. I would have had to track it since forever. Ooh! This red is also causing problems now. I do think I need to make this happen so that the reds can come across. And then also do that. So not all of them need to take the roundabout. And then put that into there. And then shift this off there. Okay, this is complete pileup. This is complete pileup here now. Hey, Chad Dev! How you doing? This is complete pileup. Oh no, okay. I'm not gonna be able to save that. This is complete bumper to bumper right here. Uh-oh. I think, yeah, probably not. Oh no! What? Okay, it's just spawned more stuff in. I don't even know if that'll work. Probably not. I don't have any roads left. And this is unconnected. Okay, it actually died down on that, but the blue is a problem still. Oh! How did we make it to week 10? How did we make it? I don't understand. I don't understand how we made it to week 10. Okay. Uh... 20 road tiles and a roundabout. Or 20 road tiles and a bridge. I need to take a roundabout, but I don't know how to soften that road. I really don't know how to do it. Without doing like massive construction work. Let's try though. 984. How many houses, chat? Okay, we all need to count this time. We all need to count. Because there's no way we're gonna get it right in one count, okay? I'm gonna try and move these as much as possible out of the way. There's one house under here, under the motorway. This one I can't do much about. So I'm gonna only cover one. Okay. Let's begin the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm doing it by color now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ooh, I missed these 4 greens, didn't I? Crap! Is it 69? No way, it's not 69. No way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 29 plus 6 plus 15 plus 19. Oh no, it is 69! It is 69! That's awesome. Okay. How many normal buildings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 buildings. It's the nicest game we've ever had, chat. How many upgraded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgraded. We have 20 road. We have no bridges. We have a roundabout. We have no motorway. And we have no traffic light. I guess you can kind of guess how it's gonna go. Roundabout. Where are we gonna put it? Oh! Oops. I did not want to do that. Roundabout. Where do I want to put a roundabout? I mean, this road here is absolute chaos. But I don't know if we can actually change that. Can we change that? We do this and then put a roundabout in here? It doesn't work. Can't do that. I don't know how to solve this problem, chat. It's bad city design. What if we funnel... Okay, so this is funneling blue to blue. What if we do like that? If we do like that, then the dark blue will funnel that way. The reds can take the other road. I guess? Oh no. Oh, this one's not even connected. The light blue. All right, this one's not even connected. Okay. I think we just have to connect everything to everything at this point. Put that one up there. Get rid of this in-between road here. Or is that the fast track for red? It could be. Put a roundabout there. That could help. Oh, this is getting... Jed Dev, what's been new with you? What's going on? As they say in German, was ist los? Good to see you around again. You been streaming much? I don't think I've seen any of your streams recently. I don't remember seeing any streams from you recently. I don't think. Ooh, someone has signed up on... Ooh. Someone has signed up on Maven. Been out and about for a while, now the time has changed. I'm back on the computer. The green's up here. Yeah, I know, but I don't know what to do about them, Steffi. I don't know how to... Maybe I could move it. Maybe I could move the green like that. Take some of the pressure off the red area. They're also not inter... Oh, this is toast. This is toast. I think it's toast. What can I do? I don't think I can appease that. The yellow's popping off. Yeah, this one's toast. This is the one that's gonna go right here. The 4 disconnected at the bottom. What? Which ones? These? Oh my gosh! It's a payback raid. It's a payback raid. It's a payback raid.
I think the main issue is the American.
Who is that Pokemon? It's A. Bulbasaur. Bulba A. Welcome in, Raiders. Hey, how are you doing? Everyone coming in with the raid. Hello. Welcome to my stream. Mr. Shoes goes well. Oh, what?
I said I figured it out, but apparently I didn't.
I also didn't figure it out today.
Yeah.
I also didn't figure it out today. We were trying to hook into a game that I'm playing to see if we could automatically track statistics from the game so that I could figure out my play style. Which I know that's like probably the nerdiest thing that you've heard so far today, maybe? But it didn't work. It turns out that the game save file is in hex, binary. So we can't really decrypt. Decrypt is not the right word. We can't interpret it correctly. So I'm stuck putting the data in manually in a Google Sheet. And Chad has been very supportive. They're helping me count houses, which is cool because, you know, for those of us who can't afford houses, that's as close as you can get to counting a house. So I think that's a cool feeling to impart onto most of you. Yeah. Although some of you probably own your house, I guess. We're trying to buy a house, but you know, whether we'll get there is a whole nother story. My name is Maddie. I'm a data person. You can tell if I'm like logging game statistics in a Google Sheet. I think that's that says everything you need to know. And so this is the game. We are in mini motorways. I'm not in the mini motorways category because, yeah, I died. I'm not very good at this game. So we could say that how do we log our death? I think that we could log, how do we log death? Death? Oh, thank you for the follow. Pecorly. Pecorly. Sorry, what? Sorry. So now there's Pejorly, Pegorly, and Pecorly. And you all don't know each other. You're insisting that you all don't know each other. It's entirely random. It has nothing, all three of you have nothing to do with one another. Zero. Okay. Like if that's what you're saying, that's fine. Welcome in Corley. Welcome in Pecorly. I'm not laughing about your username, to be clear. I'm laughing about the fact that there are now 3 very similarly named users. And they don't seem to know anything about each other, which is hilarious. That being said, I'm not saying that you're doing this, but I did have multiple accounts active in chat at once, and I got shadow banned by Twitch. And that was very, 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 very annoying. So anyway, I had a lot of bot accounts, like a lot of non-bot accounts. I had a lot of chatter accounts. So we should log death. We should definitely log death. I feel like we should log death like this, like week. What week were we in? We didn't get to week 11, so technically we're in week 10. The score is 1183. Oh, we can log our final state, right? We can log our final state now too. We can actually log the state at death. So how many houses are in this photo, chat? How many houses are in this photo? I'm gonna count colors. Because I think that's the easiest. Okay, so blue, light blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 of those. Wait, 8? What are you counting? Green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 green. Time for yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 yellow. Close enough. Yeah, of course. Hey, how was your stream? Did you have a good time? Red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we have dark blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that all of them? There's light blue, yellow, red, light green, and yellow. It's 5 colors. Portfolio review, and then some app definition chatting with whiskey. Oh my word. That's kind of cool. That's very cool. It's very cool. What kind of whiskey were you drinking? If I may ask. Because I mean, I'm not a big drinker, but I am always kind of curious what people do like to drink for reasons. I know it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so what was our stock? Do we know what we had left? It doesn't tell us what we had left. Oh, that sucks. Okay, well, we can do 19 plus 13 plus 22 plus 15 plus 7 is 76 house. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 S buildings. Cavalon, 18 years that your sales manager gave you because he made him sign a deal. Oh, nice. Sounds very, wow. Sounds expensive. 1, 2, 3 powered up buildings, 4 powered up, 5 powered up buildings. We don't know what the rest of our inventory is. Do we? No, we do not. Delete. So what's interesting is that actually we could just put days because it tells you the days. 76 days. Yeah. So now here's the question, chat. What can we find out about this game? So here's a reminder. Here's the level, right? What can we find out about this game? So there's pretty interesting stuff. We can look at which offer we took and whether the offers had some kind of influence over... Can I convert this into a chip? Hold on. Convert to table? Smart chips. No, drop down. There we go. False. True. Okay, so these are the offers we took. Ooh! Sub $100 bottle, also it's almost empty. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. We could convert these into chips too. We could compute like a value of the offer based on the items. If we say like one road is like 1 point and then a bridge is worth this many points and the roundabout is worth this many points, we could compute like an offer rating, but that's maybe something to do later. What does the progress tell us? We could just plot score and house on a chart just for lulz. we could plot these on a chart, you know. Get rid of the H top. We could insert a chart. Oh, so this, okay, this tells you already everything you need to know. This already tells you how the score works. This is cool. Hold on, can we do with both buildings in there? Will it be too many? Interesting. I'm gonna do some editing of the chart. Series score house. We're gonna make it a chart style. How do I get the chart to be? Here we go. This is what I want. I want it to be one of those doubles. Combo chart. So now I want the score to be on the left axis. And I want house to be right axis. And I want building S to be right axis. And I want building M to be right axis. Okay. Maybe not the best choice. Maybe the other way around, but okay. How can I zoom? Zoom. Okay, so what this tells us is building S and building M. Basically, this is just a combined metric ultimately about how many buildings there are. They're either small buildings or enhanced ones. We could probably compute them together if we're being honest. But what's really interesting is if you plot the houses along a different axis from the score line, you can actually see that the houses do also scale very, very highly with the score. I mean, the houses generate the cars, which means that they're responsible for getting the points in. But this tells you, this is actually interesting. Based on how many houses you have, you can actually calculate with the buildings, you could actually calculate a velocity. You could actually compute whether you're achieving maximum efficiency or not based on how long it takes for a car to travel and do this this package interaction. You know, every time they go to the thing, they pick up a little dot and then they drive back to the house. So you could, in theory, work out a kind of average. That's actually kind of interesting. I wonder if we could do that for the next game. We could figure out if in each round we're maximizing our score or not, and where in particular we start having problems. So for example, you can see in this chart here, between week 6 and 7, is it here? No, sorry. Between week 5 and 6, we actually lost momentum in our housing. But our score went up. I guess you'd have to work on the percentage gain per week or something like that. It's interesting. What do you think, chat? Is that interesting? Is it more interesting than playing the game? That's the question. Is it more interesting than playing the game, or is it just interesting? It's data, yeah. But it gives you an insight into potentially how you could improve your gameplay. Now, of course, this was just one level, and I think every level has different not modes. You do have different modes, but I think every level has its own particularities. What's cool is we actually set a new record for me, personal record. Let's check the leaderboard. We're in the top 40%. Not bad. We're in the top 40% of players for this level. There's people who've gotten double this score. Wow. Double? Can I get top 10? Top 10% would be within here. On Los Angeles, I don't think so. Maybe on a different map with enough practice. Which one was the one I liked a lot? I liked Mumbai. I think Mumbai I liked. Yeah, Mumbai has a train in it. What's the leaderboard like for Mumbai? Okay. Bottom 45% on one. I only had one playthrough though, I think. Only had one playthrough. I just wish there was an easier way to log your games. I wish it was easier, you know? Yeah. Like, should game developers make it easier for you to log your games? Like, shouldn't they want you to like get better at the game? I mean, I'm not saying you have to go full EVE Online and like give people access to Excel plugins. Cuz I don't know if you knew about that, chat, but like EVE Online has an official Microsoft Excel plugin. But I do think there's like a very kind of, I wonder how much effort it is to really do that properly, you know? The incentives in the game. Well, I mean, this kind of game is obviously not a highly competitive game, but there are quite a few people who play this game. EVE is also financially sustainable if the player is hardcore. Really? How do you mean financially sustainable? Because they buy a lot of like microtransaction stuff? Is that what you mean? Is that what you... I guess it is. The business model of the game is important. Yeah. Look how much the most expensive boat costs. Oh. The economy inside the game? Watch me lurking. Thank you very much for the follow. I will indeed watch you lurk. The economy inside the game can get you real money for... Okay. For... like in real life? Wild.
Welcome and watch _me_lurking.
It's a great username, by the way. Watch me lurking. Oh, like CSGO crates. Ah. That's okay. Yeah, okay. So I know what you mean. So it's the loot box mechanics. Okay. That's okay. Yeah. I'm not really aware of people exploiting loot box mechanics in mini motorways, but I can see how other games exposing game data would be a vulnerability for tournaments, because then people would be able to kind of data mine easier what the game, how the game engine behaves under certain circumstances, and I could see people exploiting that for nefarious purposes, I would say. Yeah, I could see people exploiting that. But for casual games, I think could be a nice little, I don't know, could be a nice add-on. If it's not a lot of money or effort to add to a game, having it as like a export your game data or game activity to CSV type thing could be really cool. It could even be a potentially USP for the game, depending on who it's targeting, you know. Yeah, obviously Belgium doesn't allow loot boxes. There's many countries that are in the process or have already banned the mechanic because it's considered gambling, much like Twitch channel point redeems predictions. I think Sweden and what was the other country, chat? There was another country that didn't allow predictions. Maybe one of the other Nordics, I can't remember. Yeah, Jay Walter. Netherlands, maybe? You can't use channel points to predict, can you, Jay Walter? I mean, obviously no one can use channel points here. I don't have channel points because I am not affiliated with Twitch anymore. I quit. That's what I did. And I won't be joining again. I know there's been some talk. There's been some talk in the grapevine about me potentially becoming affiliate again, and I can tell you that that's not happening. Definitely not happening. So yeah, I think it is time to wrap up for today. I'm sorry that I didn't stream on Monday, by the way. I had a lot of stuff come up, and yeah. Well, you'll get to see me next Monday. I will stream on Monday instead. So, with that, thank you very much for being here today. Stay for the raid. We're gonna raid a very cool developer today. You might know them. They're doing some Blue Sky development stuff, which is pretty interesting. If you are not familiar with Blue Sky, it's a new social network that is growing very, very fast. Very fast. I think like 1 million new users a day. Not too soon, watch me. No, not too soon. Streams vary. You were supposed to be lurking anyway. Why are you chatting? You know? Why are you chatting? You're supposed to be lurking. Streams vary. Sometimes 3, sometimes 4, sometimes 5 hours. It really depends. Yeah, Blue Sky development. Adding like 1 million users a day at this point or something. So watch me, Picorley, iHeart, Funny Boys, and P5 and Wayne and Divyansh. Thank you very much for those follows. We hit 1500, which is cool. And hopefully we'll see each other on Monday. I had a great time today. Thought it was pretty cool. Monday is Data Cafe, so we do news. News in tech and data. There's some pretty weird articles I have for you, as usual. Maybe a TikTok one. Who knows? Depends on what happens. You still hate the Blue Sky UI. Threads is much better. Threads is definitely not better than Blue Sky from an algorithmic point of view, I can tell you that. Blue Sky feels like very early days of Twitter. It is very, very nice platform. So yeah, see you all hopefully on Monday, and if not, hopefully sometime soon. And with that, did we miss? Yeah, there's still 40 seconds of the song. We gotta wait it out. We gotta wait it out. Are you the only one not on Blue Sky? Probably at this point, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Goodbye.